G'day folks, Tom and Rob from Life is the Way, and here we are at Pirate Life Brewery in Adelaide, and we're about to run a Finding Your True North corporate workshop. Come on inside and check it out. This workshop is for any business that wants to improve the performance and productivity of their team, create a positive workplace environment, and gain healthier relationships throughout your business. Finding Your True North achieves these outcomes by allowing participants to better connect to themselves, others, and the environment. By virtue of this, your staff will be less stressed, more focused, and better equipped to take on any challenges that may arise.
It was really fun. It was really good for team building. It was like lots of fun just dancing around and pulling our walls down.
I got the nicest, most genuine, heartfelt compliment from someone in one of the exercises, and we both nearly cried, and it was really, gorgeous.
Oh yeah, I'm going to be plugging this to everybody else because I want to see the brewers doing it, I want to see the marketing team, I want to see logistics, I want to see everybody do it.
I think when we all locked arms and we all ran in and pumped each other up, started telling everyone we're all legends and doing a great job, I think that was just good.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's a wrap. So thanks so much, Pirate Life, for having me. And if you're a business that wants me to come and run a Finding Your True North corporate workshop for yourself, then get in touch today.